Hello, welcome to this course. If you are watching this video right now, that means you have bought this course already, or you are just planning to buy it. Then you are trying to check the preview if it really worth your time. Believe me, this course is what you need to build your online store or to build an online store for your customer. This is exactly what you need, and these are part of the things that you'll be learning in this course. In this course, you'll be learning how to buy a domain and hosting yourself. You will be learning how to everything you need to know about building an e-commerce website. As you know, an e-commerce website is highly demanded. Out of the niche of the website that we have, e-commerce website is highly demanded, and that is why as a website designer you must have this skill on how to design an e-commerce website. And it doesn't just because you can design doesn't mean that you'll be able to design an e-commerce website, because e-commerce website is more beyond the beauty, it is more beyond the visuals you are seeing. It is much more about the functionalities. And on WordPress, there is one plugin responsible for this, and this plugin is WooCommerce. This plugin is WooCommerce, and that is why you must buy this course to learn the in and out of WooCommerce, how to upload products. Is it simple products, your variable products, your group products, the external products? It teaches you everything you need to know about WooCommerce. That is the reason why you must get this course. This is not something that you must think twice, because it will really help you. So when you buy this course, all you need to do is watch it, and as you watch, make sure that you practice. Make sure that as you watch it, replicate what you are watching. Try and go through it on your own also, and it will really help you a lot. Believe me, this is not a course that you should play with. This is a course that if you have gotten it already, I say congratulations. If you are still waiting to get it, or you are still watching this video now and you are still planning to get it, please do that ASAP, because it will help you a lot. This is not just an ordinary course. This is value. I have taken my time to load values in this course. Believe me sincerely, to build an e-commerce website now, if I'm talking about the Nigerian market, the average price that you charge, which is the list price that you will charge, is almost 350,000 naira for just a Nigerian business, a very small business at that, compared to a foreign client or a foreign business. You charge in dollars, you charge $500 at least to build an e-commerce website, at least, and that's the least plan for an e-commerce website. In this course, you will learn a lot. You will learn how to link your e-commerce to Facebook. You will learn how to link your e-commerce to Pinterest. It is more beyond. It goes more beyond e-commerce. It goes more beyond WooCommerce. It goes more beyond your store. It is everything that will make your business to grow. How to do your analysis. You are making sales, you don't even know the calculation, or your clients don't even know the calculation. On this course, you will learn how to calculate these things, because WooCommerce has everything. It has everything in order and on how to do all these things. See, WooCommerce is a gem, and that is why you must buy this course. I know it's just a single plugin, and you might be wondering that, what's that new thing that I will learn? Believe me sincerely, if you have been designing for long, you will still pick one or two things inside this course, and that is the reason why you must get it. You must get this course today. So as you watch this course, prepare your mind, be ready to learn. It is very important. Be ready to learn, because if you are not ready to learn, there is no how you'll be able to assimilate everything that I will be teaching you in this course. Be ready to learn and be prepared. It is very, very important that you are prepared, you are ready to learn, you have a very stable network, and practice. There is no learning. If you learn without practicing, you are not different from a person that doesn't buy this course at all. But if you learn and you practice, that is what make you ahead of the other person, and that is what give you the leverage over others. You will not argue with me that this industry already is saturated. We now have a lot of website designer, but something will set you apart. Something will set you apart. Something will set you apart from the others, and this is part of the things that will set you apart from the others. That you are not just building website alone, you are not building websites, that you are not, you are doing the extraordinary things for your clients. You are building, you are teaching them on how to do things, you are lecturing them on how they can operate their stores, and that is the reason why you must buy this course. That is the reason why, if you have bought the course already, once again I said congratulations. If you are waiting to buy the course, you don't have anything to change your mind. Don't change your mind, just get the course now. Get the course now. If you are watching this as a preview, watch it, then after that click on that buy button and buy the course. See you in the course. I promise you, my contact details is in the description of this course. You can message me anytime, any day, and I promise you, if you have any issue, if you have any challenges, I am going to walk you through it. I am going to, teach you everything that you need to know, so you can still reach out to me personally for mentorship. This is, I've built a lot of e-commerce websites. I've built countless of e-commerce websites, and for these websites I charge high, and that is how it works. That is how it works. That's the reality. That is how it works, and that is why you must also buy this course, to leverage it. Serve as a leverage for you. This is an information, and you must get the right information that you need to move to the next step in your career. See you in this course. If you have any issue, once again, you can reach out to me. Thank you very much. So this is how you are going to buy an hosting and a domain if you want to get one to start building your website. So in the previous video, I talked about using local computer. So if you don't want to install local on your computer, I was saying that if you are using local, that means the website is not live yet. If you want to use local, it means that the website, that particular website, is not live yet. So you just want to build it, then you can migrate it later. But if you are using a live web, if you want to use a live website, maybe you want to buy for your customer. So we have a lot of hosting company. We have the foreign hosting company, we have Nigeria's hosting company. So the foreign hosting company, we have the hosting jar, we have Namecheap and the likes. So for Nigeria here, you can try Truehost, you can try Afis Host, and a lot of them. So here like this, I will just use Namecheap, because it is very common and it's very popular. Personally, I use Afis Host, but this I will just use Namecheap. So the first thing is to look for the name of the domain that you want to buy. So after you have searched for the name of the domain, for example like this, let me check. Okay, let me check the uniquedesigner.com, or let's say the uniquedesigner.com. So I'll click on search to search for it. So it is still available, so you can still buy it like this. So you just come here and click on add to cart. So after you have added it to cart, you made your payment, you will make your payment. So the next thing after you have made your payment is now to select a hosting that you want. So you can click on this share hosting. So for this share hosting, you'll be paying $1.98 per month from this place like this. We have the domain name. It will give you access to 3 websites. It will give you 20 gig SSD. It will give you 30 option for mailbox and AI website builder. So you select the best option, depends on the amount that you have. It depends on the amount that you have like this. So that's it. So after you have bought your hosting and domain, they will send you a link to your email, and this is where you'll be able to have access to your cPanel, which is the control panel, where you are going to install your WordPress. So let me go to a Nigeria hosting company like this. If you are based in Nigeria, or you want to just use something, so for this it's still the same procedure. So for this, after you have select your domain name, you have searched it. So we have the list plan here is 8,700 naira. We have the 14,500 naira plan. We have the 17,980 plan. We have the 20,880 plan. So we have a lot of plans. So you choose based on, you read the description here, and you choose based on what you want. So after that, so I will just move to the cPanel now to teach you how to install WordPress on cPanel directly. So from this place you have gotten to your see panel here. So you now you come here, you click on WordPress Manager by Substaculous. So when you click on it, I have like 3 accounts here. I have 3 accounts here. So you click on this install. So when you click on this install, that means you want to install a new WordPress. So you click on that particular domain that you want to put WordPress on. After that, I already have WordPress on this, so I've not been installing anything. You enter the site name, you enter the site description. You can easily leave it like this. Then when you get into your WordPress, you can now log in. You can now edit all this stuff. So this selected plugin, you can remove everything if you don't need any of it. So the admin username, you enter it. The password you want, you enter it. The email, you enter it. Then the language you are going to select it. Then you click on this install, and the WordPress will get installed. So this is the simple way you can just buy your domain, buy your hosting, then install it. If you have any issues, you can easily reach out to me. Then we are going to sort it and look at it together. Thank you. We are going to start by installing our WooCommerce plugin. So what you need to do is to go to your WordPress dashboard, plug in here, click on add new plugin. When you click on add new plugin, it is going to show you the list of the plugins here. So what you need to do is just to search for WooCommerce. Search for WooCommerce. So this is the plugin here. You just click on install. Now you notice that this plugin has over 7 million active installations, meaning that presently over 7 million websites are using WooCommerce. So this should tell you the capacity of WooCommerce. In fact, on WordPress, WooCommerce is the #1 store plugin. It is the #1, even if not the only one, because there is another one on WordPress, but it doesn't do what WooCommerce can do. WooCommerce has a lot of capacity. So the next thing for you is to click on activate to activate this plugin. Now you have activated the plugin. So in the next video, now you have now you now you have activated the plugin. In the next video, I am going to walk you through the setup of WooCommerce, how you can set up your WooCommerce, and the settings and everything about WooCommerce. See you in the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about the WooCommerce dashboard. So from this place, we have WooCommerce here. You have the home. I have take you through the home options before. If you click on it, so this is what it will be showing, and this is the area that we did our setup the other time, our setup wizard. So we have talked about it. So if you move from that place, the next thing you see here is orders. So under this order, you'll be able to see the list of all the orders that people have placed on your store, or your clients will be able, if you are building for yourself or you are building for a client, or either ways, if you click on these orders, you'll be able to see the list of orders that you have on your stores. If you click on orders here, now when you receive a order, it will appear here. Presently you don't have any order, and that is why there is no order showing here. So we have quick checkout, all this one, they are tools for your store, just leave it alone. So for this place, we click on customers. It will show you the list of customers, their details, everything about the customers, their phone number, their email, their address, what they bought. It will show you the customers that you have. You see, presently you don't have any customers. It will show you their name, the username, the last active, that's the last time they visit your website, dates registered, email, orders, total spend, AOV, country/region, city, all this stuff. It will show you the list of customers that you have on your website. So if you can even you can filter. If you want to show single customer, you now type the name of the customer. Maybe you want to search for a particular customer. So this is it. So if you click on coupons here, you'll be able to create coupons. If you click on coupons here, we are not creating now because I am just using this video to show you the dashboard of WooCommerce, not like exploring every tools. We are still coming back to explore everything. So this is, if you want to create coupons, this is where you come to. So let's come to overview here, the marketing overview. Let's see what we have. Oh, sorry, we are still here. So the next thing after this coupon is reports. The next thing after the coupon is reports. So let's click on reports. So for this report, reach new customers and increase sales without leaving WooCommerce. So you can use Google for WooCommerce, Pinterest for WooCommerce. No, grow your business on Pinterest. Use this official plugin to allow shopper to pin products while browsing your stores. So if you install this extension, you'll be able, so you can upload your product on Pinterest, that when anybody see your product on Pinterest and they love it, they can pin it and it will lead them to your store where they can actually buy that particular product. So look at it, these are the reports. Your yearly report, last month's report, this month's report, last 7 days report. You can even customize, you can filter the day that you want to see the report. So sales by product, if you click on it, sales by category, depends on different categories that you have. Coupons by date, maybe you want to search for a particular coupon, this is where you are going to do that. Then customer downloads, you want to see, maybe you are selling, what's it called, a downloadable product like book and everything. You want to track that, you can do that here. If you click on customers here, you want to see the reports of the customers. If you click on customers here, it is going to show you the reports of the customers. It is going to show you, look at it, the customers versus guests. Customers are people that have registered on your website. Guests are people who bought but they don't have an account on your website. You see, this is a new WordPress, so there is no sign up yet. No sign up. If you want to see your customer list, you can see it. So this report, it will give you the report of everything. Even you can get report of your stocks, the goods, the products you have on your website, the number of that product. You can get it. You can see the one that are low in stock. You can see the one that are out of stock. You can see the one that is most stocked, like the one that people buy frequently. You'll be able to trace it. Now we have tax also. If you are aligning tax, if you click on it, it will show you the report of everything. So you see, when I'm saying that WooCommerce is a game changer, it's a game changer when it comes to product and stores. I know what I am saying. Look at everything. Look at the gems I've been revealing since morning. This WooCommerce is not a baby plugin on WordPress. No, WooCommerce is the number one store plugin. WooCommerce is the number one store plugin that you can use on WordPress. Now I know that people are arguing Shopify, WooCommerce, which one will you choose? I personally will say that it depends on your preference. I love to use WooCommerce. If I'm dealing anything that deals with e-commerce, I am choosing WooCommerce no matter how. So the next thing here is the settings. We have gone through the settings the other time. We have the status. Let's check what is there. Okay, we have the status here. Let's check what is there. So moving forward, we have the extensions. If you click on extensions here, let's see what is going to show us. If you click on extension, so for this extension, if you want to add other services to your WooCommerce, for example, Google for WooCommerce, Facebook for WooCommerce, you can even list your product on Facebook, that people will have to, when anybody visit your account on Facebook, they will see your product. When they click on it, it will take them to WooCommerce. So you can do a lot of things with this WooCommerce. Look at extension now. WooCommerce accommodation booking, a lot of extension that you can use. Amazon for WooCommerce, you can link your Amazon account to WooCommerce. You can do anything you want with WooCommerce here. Some are free. See, free download. Snapchat for WooCommerce. Imagine. So these are sweet features that WooCommerce has. WooCommerce has improved. It has improved that it is no longer the WooCommerce of the old. It is now WooCommerce of the new. You can use WooCommerce for a lot of beautiful things, a lot of beautiful things. I say a lot of beautiful things. You can use WooCommerce for it. Look at it here. Google for WooCommerce, Google Facebook retargeting. So you should make use of this course. This is not, see, these are themes that you can even use for your WooCommerce. These are paid one. You can start to use the paid or premium. So if you look at this extension here, you're going to see a lot of it here. WooCommerce tax, Stripe, Cavio, Mailchimp, Jetpack, Facebook, WooPayment, a lot of extensions. Some are free, some are paid. Depends on what you want to build, depends on what you are looking for. See, live chat for WooCommerce, live chat and messaging platform for sales and support. So people can even be messaging you directly inside your website. So WooCommerce has a lot of features like that. So WooCommerce is not a plugin or it is not an anyhow store plugin. It is something that you cannot sleep on. So look at themes. Let's check it. These are the themes that you can use for your WooCommerce. Some are paid, some are free. Almost everything that is here are free. Booking and accommodation, if you click on it, you are going to see some are also paid, some are free. So it all depends on what you are looking for. You see all these one, they are paid theme. So if you click on this business services, you are going to see a lot of stuff that will bless your WooCommerce website. That you see, you can build something so crazy with WooCommerce. I'm telling you. So that's it. So for this product side, we have all products, add new products, brands, category tags, attribute and reviews. We are still going to talk about the products in general. So let's move to the payments here. So for this payment, this is if you want to add your payments gateway, this is where you come to. We have done that before. I've talked about this in when I'm explaining WooCommerce general settings. So let's come to this status here. Yes, you can see all these. You see, this one is giving you the report. If this your it is connecting your WooCommerce and your hosting together and giving you the reports, everything is okay here. Your server does not support SOAP clients. Well, let me leave this. So it is giving you the report here. So for this place, let us click on, for this analytics, we have overview, product, revenue, orders, variations, categories, coupons. So if you click on this overview now, this one is giving you the overview of everything, how everything is going, your products, the revenue you generated, the orders, the variations, the categories. You see, this one is showing you everything, calculations. So you are a business owner, you run a small business, you want to see the details in and out of everything. This is where you are going to see it. You see, this is where you are going to see everything that you need. Everything. Calculate your sales, your net sales, your product, your revenue. It is going to give you everything. Your revenue, you can even select date range and everything. You see the returns and everything. It is going to give you. So tell me, who is saying that WooCommerce is not sweet? And it even give you opportunity for marketing, to create coupons and everything. So this is all about the WooCommerce dashboard. This is all about the WooCommerce dashboard and everything it has to do. So if you are watching this course right now, if you have gotten it, this is everything you need to know about WooCommerce. WooCommerce is very interesting. WooCommerce is very, very interesting to build your store. So in the next video, I'm going to move to the other aspect, which is the product aspect of WooCommerce. Thank you. Thing you see after you have installed your WooCommerce is this setup. So if you click on home here, if you are not seeing the setup on your own side, you will see, if you come to WooCommerce, if you hover on it, you will see that home option. So just click on that home option and it will bring up the setup wizard. Now what's this setup wizard? It is just for you to set up your WooCommerce store, like step by step. So from this place, I will just click on, okay, so I'm going to set up my store. Okay, I'm just starting my business. I am already selling. What are you selling? Okay, yes, I am selling online. So you can just choose any okay, let me pick, I am setting up for a client. You can pick anyone that you want to pick, and you can even skip it. So get your store name. Let me say, okay, from this I'll say unique stores. Select an industry. Let me say, okay, Let's do clothing and accessories. So where is your store located? You have to search where your store is located. So let me say, okay, I am going to pick Nigeria. I'm going to pick Nigeria, then Oyo State, Nigeria. So the email, then I'll click on continue. So we are going to wait for it to get loaded. So it has loaded. So the next thing is just to, okay, all these get a boost with our free features. I don't need it. So I just skip this step, turn on the lights. Let's wait for it to get load. So here we are, we have set up our WooCommerce. I have walked you through the guide step of WooCommerce like that. We have set up our WooCommerce. So for this place like this, we are going to customize our store. If you want to add products, you want to set up payments, you want to launch your stores. So for this place, I am going to go back to it later on. So in the next video, I am going to walk you through all these steps, everything you are seeing here, from the settings to the dashboard of WooCommerce here. I am going to walk you through it. See you in the next video. Welcome back. So in this particular video, I said it in the previous video that I'm going to walk you through the settings of WooCommerce. So let's click on settings and let's go through all the options. We are going to go through all the options that are here. We are going to go through it one by one so you will understand. So the first one is general. Then we have the store address. You can click on store address. I just put in my address here. Postal code, I will leave it. So selling location, I want to sell to all countries. So you can decide to sell to all countries. You can decide to pick sell to all, you can no, except some countries you don't want to sell to. You can sell to specific country, meaning that you are going to, if I click on sell to specific country, it will ask you to choose that country you want to sell to yourself. If you click on sell to all countries except, now we are going to click on the countries you don't want to sell to. You are going to click on it here, but I want to sell to all countries, of course. So sell to all countries. So shipping location, I want to ship to all countries I sell to. So you can decide to ship to all countries you sell to, or ship to every country. So I'm going to ship to all countries from this place. So you can decide to disable shipping and shipping calculation, meaning that you don't want, when people are, when for instance, if you want to buy anything online, it is normal that they will ask you for shipping fee. So maybe you just run a small business and you don't want all those shipping fee to be adding to what you have. So you can just disable the shipping and you can disable the calculation, so it will not charge people, it will not charge them. So for this one, let me click on ship to all countries. So when we move forward in this course, I am going to explain that shipping aspect later on. So for this place, default customer location, I am going to click on shop country or region. That is, if any customer wants to buy, the first location it will show them is like the default location that we have now, which is Nigeria. So enable tax rate and calculations. So you can enable tax rates and calculations on what they are buying. Maybe you are the kind of person that you sell something that you want to charge tax on. You can charge them 3%, 2%, 1%, but I will disable it now, so there won't be tax rate and calculation. Or better still, let me enable it. So when we are moving forward, I will go back here to disable it, just for you to see how it really works. That's the major purpose I created this course, just for you to see the in and out of WooCommerce that you don't know, the something that nobody will tell you. That is why I'm showing you here. So for this place, enable the use of coupon codes. Maybe you want to do promotions, you want to sell on discount and everything, you want to do giveaway, just create coupons, give to your customers, they use it, and they get a particular coupons. So for this, let's calculate coupon discounts. So when applying multiple coupons, allow the first coupon to be full price, and I'll just leave, I will not enable that one. So currency option, you can choose the currency that you want. If this website that I'm building, if this WooCommerce store is not for Nigeria like this, I can decide to collect my money in USD. Even in Nigeria, some people sell products or courses that they want to collect their money in USD, but I will just leave it in naira here. So the currency position should be at the left. I will not touch all this one. So after that, I've just click on save changes. So we are done for the general here. Now let's move to the product. So moving to the product here, it is going to show us the options that are there. So for this place, it's a shop page. Now I want my shop page to be, of course, now the shop page should be shop. I cannot select cart as a shop page. I cannot select checkout as a shop page. I cannot select my account as a shop page. Just simple stuff. So from this place, I will say add to cart behavior. Now I want it to redirect to the cart page after. So if anybody click on add product, I want it to direct them to the cart page automatically. For instance, let me show you the example. Let me show you one example. So this particular website was built with WooCommerce. If I click on the add to cart option here, it is going to take me directly to the cart page, and this is it. It takes me directly to the cart page instead of it to be adding. Now let me show you the example of a website that that this website, it will not take me directly to the cart page. Instead, it will tell me that I have added it to cart, but it will not take me directly to the cart page. Let me show you the example. So on this website like this, if I click on add to cart, look at what will happen. You see, added to cart. It did not take me. It is just showing here, this cart option here, it is just showing here. It doesn't take me directly to the cart page. You see, this is what I just added now. It doesn't take me directly to the cart page, it's just add. So you can choose either of the option based on what you want to achieve, and based on what you want. But for this one, I will just leave it as enable adjust add to cart button on achieve, or let me just say redirect to cart page. Let me do it like this. So let's do it like this. So the placeholder image, I'm going to leave it. The weight unit, I'm going to leave it as kilogram. Dimension unit, I'm going to leave it as centimeter. Now it depends on what you are selling. If you are selling something like rice, if you are selling something like, okay, maybe you are selling something that deals with length, that's what you can be using centimeter. If you are selling something that deals with kilogram, like weight, you can be using this option. But if you are selling like clothes, accessories, you might not necessarily need all these one. So enable reviews, show verified donor label on customer reviews. Reviews can only be left by verified donor. Well, you can know, depends on your choice. Now product rating, enable star rating on reviews. Star rating should be required, not optional. You can decide to do it like this, and you can decide to just check it. It depends on you. So I'm going to save the changes before we move to the next one. So for the next one here, we have tax. For the next one, we have tax. Now for the tax, I'll say, okay, please, price entered with tax. He said yes, I will enter prices inclusive of tax. So because we are not doing anything like that include tax, we are not doing that. Or you can just leave this option. You can just leave this option alone like this. Now if you want to set standard rate, you want to set your tax rate, you can decide to now start adding them. If you click on insert row, so you click on the country code, the state code, the postal code, the city, the percentage you want to charge. For example, Nigeria, right, is a country. So let's look for it here. Nigeria don't charge tax. That's the reason why we are not seeing it. But let's say US. Now state code, let me say this. Postal, you enter it. City, you enter it. Now rate, I want to charge like 1%. I want to charge 1% on anything that anybody from that country buy. So it is just like this. So you can come to this place to reduce tax rate. If you want to reduce the rate, then for zero rate you can decide to remove. You don't want to, for some country you want to exclude them. So for this one, you just leave it like this. Now let's move to, so for this product, I want to go back to this product to show you something. Now we have this inventory. If you click on this inventory, you are going to see, okay, manage stock, enable stock management, right? Okay, old stock minutes like 60 minutes. You can know, hold stock for 60 minutes. Now hold stock for unpaid orders for 60 minutes. When this limit is reached, the pending order will be cancelled. Leave blank to disable. Now notifications, enable low stock notifications, enable out of stock notifications. If you want to, you are going to input the email that you want to use to receive your notification here. So all this one, there are something that now stock display format. Always show quantity remaining in stock, e.g. 12 in stock. Now if you are selling clothes, you have like you have 10 clothes, like the same type of clothes, 10 out of it, and maybe you now want to give update on okay how many of it is still available. So you won't go and you won't put what is not available in your store, you won't put it online again. So this is what how the stock work. Now for this downloadable products, this product maybe you sell books. If you sell books that people will just buy, they will download it on your website for their own use, something like this. So this is what the downloadable books. So for this, let's say open in browser, open downloadable files in the browser instead of saving them to device. So for this place, they won't be able to save it to their device. Instead, they will just open it on their browser. Customer can still save the file to their device, but by default file will be opened instead of being downloaded. Exactly. Some customer might go to extra length to save it on their device, but normally it is going to open instead of it being downloaded. So for this approve, so I'm going to save the changes before we move to the next one. So we are waiting for it to get saved. Okay, I think okay. So it has saved. Let's move to the approved products directories. So for all this one, I'm going to leave it. Just leave all this one. Then for the advanced option, let's check it. So enable table usage. Use the table attributes lookup table for catalog filtering. Update the table directly upon product changing instead of scheduling a deferred update. Now all this one, I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to touch them. So I want to go back to this where we have done these tags. Let's look at shipping together now. Now for this shipping, he said okay, now for this Nigeria, everything I want to ship in this Nigeria will be free shipping. That's meaning of this. So you can edit it. If I edit it, I can now pick prices. Now enable free, this is free shipping. If you want to add a new one, I click on add shipping method, flat rate that I want to charge for it. So continue. So taxable none, I'm not charging tax. If you want to charge tax, you click on it, but I'm not charging tax. So the cost, let me say I want to charge 1,000 naira. So create and save. So for this like this is flat rate. Now let us now edit it. So add shipping class cost. Let's go. Now you can now add your shipping class, meaning that if I add shipping class like heavy goods, I can now say that okay, maybe for light products, heavy products, but we are not going there. So let's go back to these shipping zones that we are doing. So you can just you can add as many as possible shippings that you want, and you can even do local pickup, meaning that you want no people to pick up. Enable local pickup. This is pickup. Add a price for customer who chooses pickup. You now add you now add pickup location, the location name, the address, the city, the postal code. Now this country, you add it. Then pickup details, you are going to add it. Then you just click on done and you are good to go for people that want to pick up instead. So that is all about shipping. So the next thing that we have is the payment. Now we want to set up the payment method. Now this is how we are going to do that. This WooCommerce initially offer you, so you can use Paystack as your payment option, payment gateway. You can take offline payment, meaning that you want them to send it to you offline. You want them to send it to you maybe through bank transfer or check payment or cash on delivery, anyhow you want it. So if you want to enable, so let me enable this cash on delivery. I'm going to enable it. I've enabled it. I'm going to enable check payment. So I have enabled it. I am going to enable direct bank transfer. I have enabled it. Now let's click on this cash on delivery. let's manage it so you can see. Now you can know put instructions, enable for shipping method. You can know click on it if you want, okay, cash on delivery if you want to charge free shipping or anything that you want to do for it. Accept for virtual orders, of course you want to accept for virtual orders, you set everything that you want to set here. So let's take it back here. So you can, I'm going to talk on payments gateway later on, so let's just continue. So for this one, you can accept visa acceptance solution. So you can now use visa acceptance solution. Now accept payment on your WooCommerce store securely. So this is another payment gateway. I'm going to talk about it later on. So let's just leave this and move to account and privacy. So for account and privacy, now enable guest checkout recommended. That is, you don't want anybody to register on your store before they have to, before they check out or before they can make payment and everything. And you can enable login in during checkout, meaning that during checkout you want them to log in before they check out. So you can just pick one, which is enable guest checkout. Account creation. Now when do you want your customers to create accounts on your website when they are buying stuffs? Is it during the checkout, or they should create account on my accounts page? Customer can create an account before placing their order during the checkout if you click on it, but I'm not clicking on all this one, and it is because of user experience, of course. So send password setup link, it is already checked, it is recommended. Now account erasure request. Now remove personal data from order on request. I'll just leave all these ones, so you can read all these things are things that you can read through and go through it yourself. Now look at it here. This is privacy policy, checkout policy. So these are the things that you can go through yourself and get to read them and set it on whatever that you want to do. So for emails, when your customer buy something or when they order from your stores, they are going to get an email, and you also you get an email. You can customize your emails here anyhow you want it. You can customize your email. You see, this is how it will thank you for your order. Hi John, just to let you know, we just received your order and it is now being processed. If they buy something, this is how it will be showing. Order summary, what they bought, the total, the shipping rate, it will show it, the total, the payment method you used, direct bank transfer, it will show it. Then the small note, it is going to show it here. Now the billing address and shipping address, it is going to show it exactly. This is how it works. So let's move to integration and see what we can do there. So for this integration, this is an advanced option if you want to set up like a geolocation lookup or something, but I'm not going to touch it. Let's leave it. So so for the site visibilities coming soon. No, I want my store to be live so everybody can see it. Then now let's move to point of sale. So this point of sale, you don't have anything to just do there. It's just your store name, your physical address, your phone number, your refund and return policy if you want to input it. This is what is going to be in all this place. So for the advanced option here, so this cart page and everything here, it is already created. Immediately you install WooCommerce, all these pages will be created, everything will be created and it will be added. So this is everything that you need. You can click on this REST API. So on this advanced option, you don't need to touch them or do something to. So this is all about the settings of WooCommerce. This is all about the settings of WooCommerce. Thank you. See you in the next video. So in this video, I'm going to we are talking about currency switcher. One major problem WooCommerce has when it comes to currency switcher. Yes, there is one major problem, that it is very difficult for you to find a suitable currency switcher plugin. Yes, it is very difficult, serious, compared to when you are using Shopify. Like, the option is like more, it is not that scarce there, but there is still a solution. And this is the plugin here. This QURCY multi currency for WooCommerce. So all you need to do is to click on activate to activate it. I have already installed it. So this plugin, multi currency for WooCommerce. So click on settings to set it. So here, like this general, we have enabled it. fixed price, set up product price in each currency manually. This price will overwrite the calculated price. Okay, use sketch plugin, loading marks. So here like this, I have um naira, and this is the USD. So the default is naira, of course. So position, exchange rate, let me say, okay, what is 1 naira? Okay, let's say maybe 1 naira to, if it is like, if it is fixed rate, e.g. original rate is 1.62 plus 0.1. Okay, I think that should be 1 point, let's just say 1.72. 1 point, you can calculate the rate of naira to USD in decimal like this. So number of decimal 22 something like this. So currency symbol, I don't think that is needed, but this one is NGN. This one is okay. I think let's use this dollar sign, then naira sign here like this. Let's use this. So I click on save here. So location, Octo detect, no. I prefer them, they should select theirself. Switch when user login, no. WooCommerce. So this currency by country, only working with auto currency. So all this thing, I want every country, I want every country to be able to switch, to pick the currency they want theirself. So at the checkout, enabled, if you want to use this feature like this, you have to. So currency by payment method enables the option to change the currency immediately at the checkout order detail when the customer select the payment gateway instead of after clicking the, okay. All these one, they are locked features. So for the design, let's check it. So enable to hide currency bar on cart page, enable to hide currency bar or cart, no, don't hide it, I don't want it to be hide. So let's leave it. So you can change this color, we are using blue, right? Let's use this. The background color, let's use our blue. Okay, let's use this. So so the text color should be white. That design, I'm still there. This text color should be white. Active currency text color should be white. So let's go and test it. So this is how it is going to be. So visit store. So exactly, it should be showing like this. You see this sign, this NGS sign, and this USD sign. So I want to change my options to USD. I'll just click on USD, right? And it is showing now in USD. Look at it, the price, even though the conversion is not like very correct, which you can still set that. I think the conversion should be around 0.6 or so. So if I click on this add to cart on my on this place here like this, it will be showing in dollar. Then I can now proceed to pay in the, for example like this, if I want to use this option, definitely I would have added a payment gateway that supports naira, a payment gateway that supports dollar. So I will just use the dollar one and make my payment, and that's exactly how it works. That is exactly how to go about the conversion. So it depends on the country that you are and depends on the conversion that you are doing. So that's it. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Now let's talk about adding products on WooCommerce. The first thing is, now from this place we have the products, we have the all products. If you click on this all products, it is going to show you the list of all the products you have on your website. That is what it is going to show you if you click on all products. Now there is no product on this website, so it will not be showing us anything. This is it. Add your product. You see, we have physical products. So let me quickly give you various type of product that we have. We have physical products, we have variables products. Now physical product is a tangible item that get delivered to customers. For example, your clothes, your shoe, your wristwatch, your anything that is physical that you will have to deliver it to the customer. Now we have variable products. There are product variations. For example, you are selling a bag. Now for that particular bag, it has three colors, like the same type of bag, it has three colors: white, black, blue, pink. And you want to list everything on your website. The same way when you visit Jumia, the same way you see different variables, different variations of products, that same way you want to list it on your website. So that's what we call the variable product. Now we have group product. These are the collections of related products. Group product are collections of related products, that is products that are related together. That's what we call the group products. So the products are related together. That's what we call the group products. So we have the downloadable products also. So for the downloadable products, there's something like your book. If you run an ebook store, so that's what we call the downloadable product. Now people will just download the product, is it the PDF or anything, they will just download it on your website. That's what we call the digital products. There are services. A digital product is like a digital product like services, downloadable book, music or video, things like that. External product, that is a product that when you list it on your website, now you want to link that product to another external website. That's what we call the external product. So these are the list of products we have. We have the physical products, variable products, group products, digital products. So the most common one is the physical products, then variables also, because of the variations, and also the digital products. Like that's those three are very common, but all these five, they are type of the product that we have. So the next thing here is, if you want to add a new product, these are brands. Now maybe your bags or whatever you sell, it has different brands. So you can come here, add your stuff. You can come here to add it. I'll just click on add new product, add new brand. Let me add what's it called again? um what other brand? Let me add for shoe. Let me add this. So these are for brands. Then we have the categories. Now your website, you run a fashion website, you sell shoe, you sell clothes, you sell wristwatch, you sell jewelries, you sell accessories. All these things, you cannot mix them together. These five, you cannot mix them together. You have to you have to create categories for each, and this is what these categories stand for. So I am still coming back to create all these things. We are coming back to add all these things, so you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So for the tags, it's still the same thing. You want to know, separate your product, you want to add tags to them. Now for the attributes, it's still like almost the same thing with everything that we have been saying. Maybe for a size or a color, you want to separate all these things. So for reviews, these are the reviews on your products. So in the next video, we are going to be creating brands, categories, tags, attributes. So we can now start adding our products, and I will show you step by step on how it is done. Stay tuned. So for this video, we are going to be adding a simple product. We are going to be looking at how you can add a simple product, like a physical product. Now let's go to this product and you click on add new product. So I've already added my images and everything. I've added my products. So the first one, let me say, okay, clothes one. So if you have this box is for the name, then this other box here is for adding description to your product. You see product description. So product description, you can add anything that you want in the description. You can use all these ones to customize it. You add your you can add images and everything. So for this, I don't really have a product description, so I just type this is clothes one, like this. Now we have added our name, we have added the product description. So for this product data, it is simple product. Of course, it is not group product, it is not an external product, it's not variable product. I explained all this type of product the other time. So we have the simple product. I will leave it. If it is virtual, or if it is virtual products, like virtual, you are not chipping it, it's just a virtual product, you click it. If it is downloadable products, meaning you want them to download it online, you click it. But this is not a downloadable product, this is not a virtual product. I want to ship the product to them. So for this general, the regular price, let me type 23,000. So maybe I am on sales, I want to sell it at a very discount price. On sales, 20,000 naira. But if you are not on sales, you don't need to put anything here. So this tax status, none, I'm not applying tax. Tax class, zero rate, like this. So for this place, I've done that. So for this inventory, this is SKU, and it means SKU refers to stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for each distinct product and services that can be purchased. So this SKU, you might decide to put it there, or you ignore it, either way. But for this one, I want to ignore it. Now for this stock status, I want to put it as in stock. So sold individually, limit purchase to one item per order, no. So this SKU, let me say 20, let me just leave it as 20. So shipping rate, all this one, no shipping class, so I will leave this shipping like this. So linked product, maybe you want to link this particular product to a product on your store before. I will do this particular option in the next product I'll be uploading, so you can see how it works. So for these attributes are used for variable products. Maybe you want to add the size, let's say the size, you want to add size here. Then value, let me say okay, large. Then you use this sign, this particular sign, to demarcate it here, here, large, medium, small, these three. You do it like this. Then you click on save attribute. Now we have it like this. We have our attribute here already. So we have the advanced option, this purchase notes. Maybe you want to add any note here. Menu order, you want to add a menu order. Enable reviews, of course. So get more options here. These are more extension. We are not checking that one. So for this side, product short description, I am not putting anything there. So let us set our product image here. I'm going to pick a cloth. Okay, let me use this. So for example, this particular product might have different galleries. So add product galleries, like the same type of cloth. Oh, let me just pick this one as my gallery. So I've chosen it. So the category, I will click on add new category here and put clothes. Then add new category, and here is it, as you can see. So the product tags, so if you want to separate your tags with comma, I just say that cloth again, clothes. Then I click on add. So the brand of this product, if you want to add new brand, or you don't want to use any brand, you just leave it like this. So you are done. So you see this panel like this, it's very simple. Add your product name, add your description, come here to this general, put your pricing, this inventory, put everything you need to put here. Add your product image, your product gallery, the categories if you have, the tags if you have, the brand if there is any, and click on publish. And this is it. Click on publish, and that is how you can add a simple product image. So let's view, say view products, let's view it and see what we have just added. So look at it. This is our products, this is the clothes, this is the clothes, this is the clothes. You see, the actual price is 23,000 naira, right? But this is, I put it on as on sales, so we now have it as 20,000 naira on sales like this. So this one, add to cart, you can add as many as possible to cart. The SKU, the number of stock 20, the categories clothes, the tag clothes. So like this. So we are still coming to customize our single product page. We are still coming to customize it, but for now we are leaving it like as this. So this additional information, you are going to see the size there, the reviews here, there is no reviews yet. So this is how you can add. So let's click on this to add more products, so you can see other examples. So I will do clothes too. So I will not put any description this time around. The price, I will just put this. I am not on sales now, I will not put any sales. I will put taxable here. I'm exchanging it so you can see. So this tax, I will put on standard. So the inventory here, I will not put anything. So in stock, I will leave it. the shipping I will leave it. So the link product, let's check. So let me say clothes one, let me link it to clothes one. So I want to link it to clothes one, you get. So so attributes here. So for the attributes I will still be doing, let me see, add a description, add existing. Let me see, there is no one yet, so I will just do size again. So for this attribute, if you notice very well, if I want to add a new product, I have to be picking it one by one myself, and I don't want that. So what can I do? I will save this one as drafts. I will save it as draft, so I can easily come back to it without losing my data. So I want to tell you how you can add your attributes properly, so you won't be going back and forth and entering it. So you go to this attribute here, you click on it. So for this place, for the name, I will type size. Then I will click on add attribute here. So for this, I will click on edit. I will click on configure terms. No, let me just click on update. I am supposed to click on configure terms, not edit. So I want to configure the terms, meaning that the size I want to add, the sizes that we have, I want to add them to it. So configure terms here. So for this place, I will add small, then add new size, right? We have it already here. I will do medium, add new size, it will display here. I will do large, add new size, it is going to display here. I will do extra large, add new size, it is going to display here. Okay, this one is taking time, the network. So for the next one, so I will just leave it like this. So we have added this like this. So let's go back to our products. Let's go back to our products so you can see what I am saying. So you see draft, right? So I'll just click on edit and continue editing it. Now let's go to attributes now. So I will click on add existing. You see, it bring up the size, the attribute I added the other time. So I'll click on, you see, now select values. I will click on this to select the values. I want to pick for small, I want to pick extra large. These two, this is what I want to pick. I'll click on save attributes. I have it. So for this one, I'm going to remove this first one. So for the advanced option, I will just leave it. I will leave all these. Then let me come to set product image. So I will just add only one image to this one, like this. So for the category, it is still clothes. For the tags, I will not add any tag. I will not add any brand. I will just leave it simple as this. That is why it is called simple product. It doesn't go far. The name, the description, the prices you sell them, and that is it. Then I will click on publish. So let's view our products. So this is it. This is our product. This is our product. You see, this one is on sales. It is bringing the banner that it is on sales. This is not on sales. So this is how it will show. So let's click on shop here to see our shop. Yes. So these two products we just added, it will be showing here. You see, the product are showing already on our shop page. It is showing. So we are still going to come back to customizing your shop page, your simple home page for your e-commerce. But this is how you are going to add a simple product on WooCommerce. So the next video we are going to be doing how to add a variable product. But before then, I want to add more products, not just clothes categories. I want to do for other categories also. So I might be a little bit fast. Let me say I have bags, bag one. I will come to the price here. I'll just select anything. So for the attributes, I'm not doing attributes. It's only the price I need here, nothing else. So I'll come back to the image, select image for my bag here. You see, just three things. I will add category, which is bag, of course. Bag, right? Add in category, and this is it. Then I'll come back to publish it. Then I'll click on add new product again. I want to add like, because I have like 4 products or 3 products on my gallery here, so I'm going to add the second bag, which I will name it bag 2. Then the price again, let me do 1,000. So for this one, I will not like link them up to anything or any paparazzi, so I'll just leave it. So I just click on bag here, then the product image, I'll put another image, this, right? So I will click on publish. So I'm just showing you how you can do these things. These things are not difficult. They're not difficult to run at all. Let me add another product so you can see. So even if you want a store before, you don't know how to manage it, this is the video that you need. This is the exact video that you need. This is the course. This course is for you. So look at it here. You add the third one. I just put the price now. Let me say, okay, not taxable. Okay, let me do something. Let me link it to a bag. Let me link it to the first bag. So yeah, so this cross sell means that product which you which you promote in the cart based on the current product. So I'm not doing cross sell. I am not doing cross sell. So I'll just click on bag here. So let me say the brand is Gucci. So let's publish. So I think, so let's do for accessories now. Add new products. Let me do wristwatch. Wristwatch. So set product image. This is one. I will add it. Then I'll come here to create another categories. Accessories. Add new category. Here like this. So the price, I will say, okay. So the sales price, let me say 11,500. Taxable none. Okay, okay. I'm good to go. So I'll click on publish. So right now I have 3 categories already. So let's go back to visit our store. Let's go back to visit our store and see what we have added. So this is our store. This is how our store is looking at right now. We are still going to customize this store. This is how it is looking out. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add variable products on WooCommerce. Thank you. In this video, you are going to talk about the variable products. In the last video, we talked on the simple products, and I already explained the difference between a simple product and a variable product. So from this place like this, you are going to click on add new product again. So we are still dealing with the same interface. So for this, let me just say bag 5. We are still dealing with the same interface, nothing changed. You remember this place for your name, this place for your description. Then let's move downward. So for this place, you won't select simple product again, you will select variable product. You will select variable product instead of simple product. So I will select the variable product. Got it? So from this place like this, the price won't be showing here in general. I will show you where the price will be showing. So not taxable, standard. So inventory like this. Okay, I just put 20 now. The shipping, I will leave this. Linked product, I will leave this. Attributes. Now in this attribute like this is where you are going to select your variables. For example, we have one already. Let me just use this size and let's see what will happen. So for this place, I'll just click on select all, so that all the attribute I have, we have created it the other time, it will show. So I'll click on visible on product page, yes, used for variations, yes. So it is under this variation that if you notice on websites, if you pick the like if you select small size, the price that they will sell small size is different from the price they will sell medium size. The price they will sell medium size is different from the price they will sell large size, and that is what you want to do now. So for the variations, you come here, you click on the variations here, then you click on generate variation, you click on OK here. So it is going to generate all the variations for you, and here is it has generated all the variations, you see. So it has generated all the variations. So look at it here. So for this list like this, you can start editing it. Okay, the large size, this is it. How many of it is in stock? You have enabled it, right? The variation, the regular price, the sales price, it is in stock. So this is where you are going to you will set for everything one by one, the prices one by one. And if you want to do bulk action, for example, if they are the same prices, so for this pricing, you just set, okay, set regular prices, enter a value, let me say 10,000 naira for everything. You click on OK like this. So we will now start checking it one by one. You will notice that the price would have already been there. For this, you see the price is already there. For this, the price is already there because we use the bulk action option. And you can select image. For example, if it is color variation, color blue, color green. Now for this case like this, maybe it is color green. So if you want to set the image, you want to upload the particular bag that is color green, you put the image here, the number of it in stock. And for this bulk, you can do a lot of things. This is the status. This is decrease regular prices, set sales price, increase sales price fixed amount. You can do a lot of things. You can do a lot of things here. So this is how the variable stuff work. So after that, you move to the category. You select bag. So select product image. I will just pick this bag. Then add product gallery items. I'm going to like use 3 here. Then let me pick this one too. Okay, let me pick this. So I have done that. So the next thing for you is to publish your product, and that's the main difference between variable products and simple products. So like if I click on okay, invalid or duplicated SKU. So let's see. So the SKU is because we have used 20 for one before, but let's just leave it. So view products, let's view our products. Look at the way it is showing. It is asking me to select option. Maybe it is small I want, maybe it is small it is large I want. It's asking me to select the option that I want before I can add it to cart. If I not choose any option, this cart option won't show, and that is exactly how it works. If I go to my shop now, so you will see what I am saying. For this place, you see add to cart. So this bag 5, you see it is not showing add to cart, it is showing select options because it is a variable product. So that's exactly how it works. So in the next video, we are going to check the downloadable products. That is, if you sell services, you sell PDF. That's what we are going to do in the next video. Thank you, and see you in the next video. We are going to talk about the downloadable products. So it's still the same interface. All you need to do is to just click on add new products. Then for this add new products, let me say okay. Let me put it like this. So for the description, for this I'm going to put the description of the book. Elijah is shaking it or shaking. For this place, I'm going to put the description of the book. Everything, the description of the book, this is where you're going to put it. Like the same way you do for your product, for your simple product or virtual product, this is the same way you do it here. But when you come here, you click on this downloadable. Instead of it to be virtual product, it should be downloadable. That is, they can download it online. So the regular price for this book, 2,900 naira. The sales price, I will not put sales price. Now this is where you're going to add the files. This is where you're going to add it. Sorry. So I will click on this add file. Then I want to choose the file I want to add. So for this place, this is where you're going to upload your images if you want to upload your product or anything. So I will upload file. So I need to look for a document in my computer that I can just use. So I will use this doc2 here. I will open it. That will be my file. I will open it, and this is it. Then insert file URL, and this is it. Look at it here. This is the URL. So I have added the file. So the file name, let me say, okay, Elijah, yes. So unlimited, okay, the download limit. If you want them to know, keep downloading it, keep downloading it, keep downloading it. Like this is it. Like for one person, you want to make it like unlimited, or you just want them to download it once. If you have downloaded it once, you cannot download it again, even though you bought it. So I will just keep it as unlimited. So for the download expiry, enter the number of days before a download link expire. I say never. So for the tax, I say no, not taxable. For the tax class, 0 rate. So it is just exactly the same way, the same thing. You see, nothing changes here, nothing changes at all. So for the category, I will add new category and say book. So for this image, for the product image, it will be the book cover. The book cover will be the product image, the book cover. So let me look for something that can fit as a book cover here. Okay, let me use this. So I will select product image. That's the book cover, right? So for the category here, I said book. Okay, I did not add it. Let me check. Add new category. Add new category. Okay, book. It is marked. So this is what we have here. Then I will come here to publish it, and let's see what we have. Let's see what we have, and let's try and download it and see what is going to show us. So I want to view product now to see our product. Here is it. If I click on add to cart, Elijah, add to cart, it is going to take me to cart here. Add coupons. I don't have any coupon code. Free shipping, no. Then proceed to checkout. Let's try and proceed to checkout. Even though I'm still going to explain all this is the checkout here. So shipping class, I'll say free. The flat rate is 1,000 naira, but I'm not choosing that. So direct back transfer, or let me say cash on delivery. So I will now come here to place order. Okay, let me quickly fill all this one. So I'll place order. So let's wait and see how our book will be showing. Sorry. So I have placed order now. Thank you, your order has been received. Then this is my book. If I click on it now, or let me go back, I'm trying to check. So the email I used to register, the email I use when I'm ordering this thing, the book, it will show there. They will send me an email notification that, oh fine, I ordered the book, and I'll be able to download it in my email. I'll be able to download it in my email. So that's exactly how downloadable products work. That is how the downloadable product works. Thank you. See you in the next video. We are going to talk about the downloadable product. So it's still the same interface. All you need to do is to just click on add new product. Then for this add new product, let me say okay. Let me put it like this. So for the description, for this I'm going to put the description of the book. Elijah is shaking it or shaking. For this place, I'm going to put the description of the book. Everything, the description of the book, this is where you're going to put it. Like the same way you do for your product, for your simple product or virtual product, this is the same way you do it here. But when you come here, you click on this downloadable. Instead of it to be virtual product, it should be downloadable. That is, they can download it online. So the regular price for this book, 2,900 naira. The sales price, I will not put sales price. Now this is where you're going to add the files. This is where you're going to add it. Sorry. So I will click on this add file. Then I want to choose the file I want to add. So for this place, this is where you're going to upload your images if you want to upload your product or anything. So I will upload file. So I need to look for a document in my computer that I can just use. So I will use this doc2 here. I will open it. That will be my file. I will open it, and this is it. Then insert file URL, and this is it. Look at it here. This is the URL. So I have added the file. So the file name, let me say, okay, Elijah, yes. So unlimited
okay, the download limit. If you want them to know, keep downloading it, keep downloading it, keep downloading it, like this is it. Like for one person, you want to make it like unlimited, or you just want them to download it once. If you have downloaded it once, you cannot download it again even though you bought it. So I will just keep it as unlimited. So for the download expiry, enter the number of days before a download link expire. I say never. So for the tax, I say no, not taxable. For the tax class, zero rate. So it is just exactly the same way, the same thing. You see, nothing changes here, nothing changes at all. So for the category, we add new category and say book. So for this image, for the product image, it will be the book cover. The book cover will be the product image, the book cover. So let me look for something that can fit as a book cover here. Okay, okay, let me use this. So I will select product image, that's the book cover, right? So for the category here, I said book. Okay, I did not add it, let me check. Add new category, add new category. Okay, book, it is marked. So this is what we have here. Then I will come here to publish it, and let's see what we have. Let's see what we have, and let's try and know, download it and see what is going to show us. So I want to view product now to see our product. Here is it. If I click on add to cart, Elijah, add to cart, it is going to take me to cart here. Add coupons, I don't have any coupon code. Free shipping, no. Then proceed to checkout. Let's try and proceed to checkout. Even though I'm still going to explain all this is the checkout here. So shipping class, I'll say free. The flat rate is 1,000 naira, but I'm not choosing that. So direct back transfer, or let me say cash on delivery. So I will now come here to know place order. Okay, let me quickly fill all this one. So I'll place order. So let's wait and know, see how our book will be showing. Sorry. So I have placed order now. Thank you, your order has been received. Then this is my book. If I click on it now, or let me go back, I'm trying to check. So the email I used to register, the email I use when I'm ordering this thing, the book, it will show there. They will send me an email notification that, oh fine, I ordered the book, and I'll be able to download it in my email. I'll be able to download it in my email. So that's exactly how downloadable products work. That is how the downloadable product works. Thank you. See you in the next video. Next thing is that you have understand how to upload a product. You know all the settings of WooCommerce. You know how to set your payment gateway now. Now the next thing is that let's go to our theme customization. So in general, I used to use Cadence. This Cadence here, I use it for my normal website. I also use it for WooCommerce. But for this particular video, I want to try out another theme. It is called storefront. It is normally used for WooCommerce. It is one of those themes that I use for WooCommerce, and you can easily buy premium themes also for your WooCommerce website. So I will just install it now to see how it look like. If it doesn't give me what I want, I am definitely going back to Cadence. But let's see how it is going to look like. Let's see what it's going to give. If it is not giving me what I want, I am definitely going back to Cadence. So I'll click on customize here to customize the theme and see how it looks like. Okay, let me go here. Theme. Okay, here is it. Sorry. Okay, so here's the website. Okay, okay, so from this place we have the site identity, that's the name. So you already know how to, I believe you already know how to use themes on a normal, how to edit your themes on a normal. If you don't know how to use it, I have another course, how to build website with WordPress and Elementor. As a beginner, I have the course. You can buy that course and watch it. If you don't know how to do all this stuff, I I explained everything you need to know in that course. So for the header, let's move to the header background image. So let's check the footer. Okay, background. Okay, I think I'm loving what I see, but regardless, I so from this place I want to create a home page, so I can make it the first page that anybody will see when they click on the website. So I'm still trying to check this theme out. Okay, this is not bad. This is not bad. It is not bad. To be honest, it is not that bad, but I wanted something more. This is not bad, seriously, but um how will I put it? This is the cart here. The cart, the account, the shop. Okay, let's see what I can do with this. I'm still trying to check with the layout here. Let's do this. Okay, the sidebar. All right. This header, let me check header color to be black. Okay, then the text color should be white. So one thing about this, what I notice here is that it kind of limits customization, and that's what I've noticed now. Apart, I can only set my header can only look like this. Let me check it on mobile. Okay, okay, it's not that bad. On mobile, the button will be sticky at the bottom. I think this is a very good theme to use. If you ask me, it's a good theme to explore. It's a good theme to explore. If you ask me, there is nothing in cards here. Okay, but as it is good, I really don't know. I think it is okay, but I really don't buy the idea. And the reason why is that I am seeing that I will not be able to know I will not be able to edit some things, the how I want the product layout. Let's check here. Let me see. Let me first check before I start talking. It is not there, seriously speaking. So I will just firstly go back. Let me try out another theme, another WooCommerce theme, before moving to before going back to Cadence. What I use Cadence, to be honest, and Cadence is a good. Cadence is good no matter how. Let me check this Omega store fonts. Let me see if I will see if the options, the customizing, it will be easy to customize, and it has a lot of options that I can use. Let me see. So I'm going to try this now. I'm going to click on customize to try it. If it give me what I'm looking for, fine, I'm going to use it. But if it doesn't, I'm going to switch to Cadence. Well, this is not bad too. All categories. Okay, this is not bad, but let me go to theme option, header settings. Okay, the phone number, the email. Okay, fine. I think this is still okay. I really think this is okay. Sticky header. Let's see how it works. Sticky means that the header will stick like this at the top. So let me check the mobile. I'm so much particular about the mobile version of all this stuff. The mobile version is equally very important. So yeah, like I think this is my account. This is your wish list. Okay, let me go back to the desktop. So I will just check this if you can use the social media settings. Okay, what if I don't want it to show? Let me see. But I don't want it to show Twitter. Okay, okay. I'm checking to see the global color, typography. So the global color, yes. Single meta information, enable single post image. Okay, this is about post. Footer settings, even though my footer I will use another plugin to build my footer. That's what I do. Exactly. Products per column 3, products per page, enable related. So what of mobile? What of on mobile version? I need that also. I need all these things. On mobile version, what will I be seeing? I need it. Let me check. Yes, exactly. I want it to be 2-2. Exactly. Mega store. What's this calendar stuff here? Let me see if it is editable. So before I explain it, I'm trying to know. I'm trying to check. I will have to check. I know. This is something that I have to check. Store notice, product catalog, checkout. Okay. This is general settings, header image, background image, front page settings, slider settings. Okay, I think this has a slider up to 30%. Okay, slider post category. On which page will that be showing? Let me check. Let me quickly come here. Home page settings. Static page. Okay. Add page. Let's do home. I think this particular theme will be really good for it, but although I've not been I have not been able to really see. Enable preloader. Okay, that's nice. Numeric page number, pagination. No. mm, Theme option. I've talked about the header. So let me see if I'm able to remove this widget showing. I don't want widgets. Let's see. Okay. So I think this particular what's it called? This particular um this plugin will actually work. It is just that I'm just checking. Um I'm trying to check the customizable option. If it is customizable, that is what I'm trying to check. And it is very much important that I check that, because when it comes to choosing a theme for your WordPress, for your WooCommerce store, it is very important. No sidebar, no sidebar, no sidebar. Yes, exactly. No sidebar. It is very, very much important while choosing a theme. So I want to come back to this header settings. So I can change the logo here. Site logo, enable site title. Okay. I think this is not bad if you ask me. It is not entirely bad. Oh, sorry. So this is not entirely bad if you ask me. But this particular Omega store is versatile, WordPress, blah blah blah. I'm still looking for a way to remove it because it can never be there. It can never be there. So okay, so this is what I will do. I've checked the first theme, I've checked the second theme. So we are going to check out another theme to see how much easy it is, how much what's it called. So we have WooCommerce currency switcher. I've been looking for a currency switcher. So let me quickly okay, I will install this plugin. I will explain the usage later on. I'm going to explain how we are going to use it later on in this particular video. So let me, okay, I will just dismiss. So let me add another theme. I want to add another theme. So I need to like compare like three theme. No, you know I said that I have a theme I use already, but I'm trying to weigh out options here. These are the normal the normal WooCommerce theme. So I'm trying to weigh out option. So this stuff font block, I think it look nice. So, or this text stuff front. Let me try this. So after I have tried this, and if I'm able to get what I want, I'm going to use it. But if I don't get what I want, I'm just going to go back to normal cadence plugin and use that one to explain to you. So here we have the theme option, the contacts. Okay, okay. All these themes are not bad. To be honest, they are not bad. They are not bad. Top bar social. This the one here. Enable top bar here like this. Okay. Bread scrum. Okay. Layout settings. I want this. That's no sidebar. I want this. 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 So if you notice what I'm doing now, I am removing the sidebar. So let's stick with it. Let's stick with this because of our time. So here like this, I come here to check this. You check this. When it comes to themes, it depends on how you can. This is where creativity will comes in. Header settings. We have we have the default header, WooCommerce bar. Okay, let me click on the default header. Let's see. Okay, so the WooCommerce bar here, it will bring out this sign in. So let me check the mobile version. Okay, not that bad. The mobile version is not entirely bad. So let's take it back here. So let's check the layout settings. I've done that. All these things, preloader, enable preloader. Let's see. Footer settings, email subscription, scroll. So let me take it back to what I am no the WooCommerce option. I want to check the WooCommerce option that this thing has. The color settings, the color is purple presently. You can change your color. You can change your color. Let me check the okay. It is not totally bad, to be honest. Not totally bad. The header media, no. The background image, no. The homepage settings, widgets, WooCommerce sidebar. So homepage settings, WooCommerce, products, just the normal WooCommerce stuff. If I want to edit this, you click on this. Okay, this. Okay, then these are not editable, so click here to add menu. Yeah, that's logo. So honestly speaking, this is not bad. This is not bad. It is not bad at all. But still, this is not what I am. This is not really what I am looking for. So I will just go back. Now the major purpose of me, I know all these things. So the major purpose of me just moving around everything is just for you to see the research aspect, the process aspect of everything. It is just for you to see that and know that it is not just about building WooCommerce stuff. It is not just about picking anything you want like that and then everything. You have to like compare teams. I've compared 3 teams like that, like this. You have to compare teams. You have to know, okay, what you are doing, how you want to go about it and everything. So let me show you my own team, the one I use for my own WooCommerce, the WooCommerce website I use Cadence here. So for this Cadence, now I will just move to the WooCommerce option straight. That's the shop. So I will click on shop here. I will move to the shop option straight so we can quickly customize our shop. And this is the shop. So if you come here, if you come to this WooCommerce here, so you are going to see this store notice, product catalog, single product page, product image. So if I click on this product catalog, so it's okay. If I don't want it to show this title, this what's it called, this particular shop that is showing the other time, you see, if I turn it on, it will show it. And if I turn it off, now the reason why I choose Cadence over other things is that if you notice very well, Cadence has more option. It has more option that can make my store look good. It has more options that can make my store look nice than the other ones that I have been showing you. The other one are good, they are not bad, but Cadence give me what I want and I can edit it, I can customize it to my taste. So moving forward, I want it like this. So the container width, not this one. If you bring it like this, you see what is happening. Check here, focus on that shop name, like this, like this. So you can switch to mobile too to see how it will look like. So let me just come back to desktop. So for all this one are normal. All this one are normal. So for this image product image over switch, like if you hover on it like this, how do you want it to look like? Is it like it should fade? Is it that it should all those kind of stuff? So I will do slide. Now this button action, now if you notice very well, it is until this bottom slide up. If you hover on this thing, you will see this. But if I click on always visible, let's see what will happen. Like this, the arrow. So button style, you can change it to text with, this is text to arrow. You can change it to button. So let's check what will happen. But you see, it is so this is what I'm saying, that now let me over on this thing. You see what happened. The slide, the effect, it is different from the 3 themes that I installed before. It is very much different. So what you need to do is to know, you have to go through this option one by one, explore it. That's how you learn. Explore it, play around it one by one. Now this is it. Align button at the bottom. Now if you click on this align button at the bottom, you see everything is now balanced. This one will not be taller than this one, another one will not be taller than another one. That's exactly how it works. So product per row, I want it to show four products. I want it to show 4 products instead of 3. You see, if I want it to show 5, it will show 5. You see, but 4 is okay. So you see what I see. So this is how it is showing. It is now very neat. Now on mobile column like this, on mobile, if you do it like this, only one is showing like this. So I want it to show 2. I want it to be 2 column. I want 2 products to show. You see how it is showing like this. So that's exactly how. So you have done this like this. You have customized your shop. You have done everything. So let's move to this design. So for this design, now this achieve title background, this background here, I want to change it to, let me use this. You see, then the text that is showing, I want to change it to color white. And exactly, so you see, you are customizing your stores. For this place like this, the default sorting, you can sort by popularity, sort by average rating, sort by latest. From this place like this, if I do it like this, that is showing list view, but I will just leave it like this. So you cannot edit anything you want to edit. You can change the title font here, you can change the colors,
You can change anything you want to change here. You can change anything you want to change here, believe me. So I will click on publish. Now let's move to the next stage of the editing. So let me move to the single product page. How I want my single product page, this thing like this, how I want it. So this is the single product page option. So these are the reason why I choose this. I choose this theme over the three that we have viewed, because the options it gives me, it is very much different from the other one. So from this area like this, he said above content layout, if you click on this extra title area, this is it. You see, it is showing here. If you want it, if you just want it as bread scrum, this thing will not be showing. It will be showing something like this. So let's give it more life now. So I will just choose this extra title area, then standard right, then I will just leave it like this. I will leave all this one like this. Okay, let me scroll down. So I want category to be showing, right? I want category to be showing. Yes, here like this. No, if you notice very well, if I disable it, this category here, it will not show. But if I turn it on, the category will be showing on the name. You know the category is back, right? So the title, the price, show shipment statement. If I have, so this one is free shipping. No, I don't want to include that. So S is to show the description, show the add to cart. Let me click on extra. Let's check. Now it's now showing. If I click on extra, it is showing free shipping order. So this extra like this, if you come here, if you no put this toggle, you can put text that you want yourself. So free shipping on order above $50 and satisfaction guaranteed, all these things you can add from it, you can remove from it. You can remove this word, put your own. So this payment, show payment, of course I want you to show the payment stuff. You see it is now showing. If you still toggle around this one, you can allow it to show. Okay, I want you to show Mastercard. I don't want you to show this. I don't want you to show this. I don't want you to show paper. So this custom, let's make it so add image. Let me look for Paystack logo. So Paystack logo. So this is how you are going to, so this thing is about, you have to like sit down and think through. That's what you have to do. You have to sit down, think through. You open it one by one and you start exploring. Honestly speaking, that's how you will learn. I am not part of those tutors that we know because they want to sell course for you, or because they want you to buy from them, that they will now be capping for you. I'm not one of those people. What I do is I tell you exactly what you need to do. If you don't practice, there is no possible way that you'll be able to you get it. You have to sit down. Even watching a course or watching a video is not enough than you practicing. So I've put Paystack logo. Let's check. Let's see if it will appear here. You see it is now appearing. So you can put another logo that you want. So you see the reason why I said I love Cadence compared to other teams, because it gives me exactly what I want. If for the fact that there is now competition between Shopify is another e-commerce platform. There's now competition between Shopify and WooCommerce. So you have to if I'm building an e-commerce website for a client using WooCommerce, I have to come correct. I have to do it to satisfaction. I have to be at the top of my game, and that is you also. You have to be at the top of your game. You have to come correct. You have to show up. You have to build websites like you have to build it in a way that it really reflects, it will really be up to standard. So use custom quantity. Now look at this add to cart. There is no plus, there is no minus showing. If I choose this option, use custom quantity plus and minus, look at it. Let's see. You see it is now showing. It is now showing plus and minus here, and that's like part of user experience. So for this place, product variation. Okay, let's move to this. Okay, tab style. This is the tab style they are talking about. Normal or center, it move to the center, but let it be normal. Show default heading in tab content. Show related products. As they are at the bottom like this, will be showing related products. So I will just click on publish. So for this particular option, this product variation option, let me go back to my shop. I want to click on a product that has variation, and here is it. I think this one. There is one. Okay, this product select option here.
this particular product, it has variation. So it has different, it has different variation, right? Large, medium size. So if I click on this product variation display, if I click on vertical, it will show like this. If I click on horizontal, it will show beside it. So let me click on vertical. Let's use the vertical option. It will show like this. Exactly, this is what I'm looking for. So that is it. That's the single product page. That is exactly how it works. That's how it looks like. So let's move to so for this particular bag, I want to change the background. So product above area background, this same color I used the other time. And I'll change the text to white. Yeah, so we can have it like this. Okay, so let me look for, I think this. This is it. So it's now showing exactly like this. So if you notice very well, we have customized our store. There's okay, what else do you need? Well, this is exactly what you need. So let's move to the product image. Yes, the way it is showing, it is already okay like this. Let's move to the, if you move to the checkout doesn't really need a lot of stuff to do. You don't have a lot of stuff to do in this checkout. So product catalog, we have done that. Product single, we have done that. So this product catalog, we can still like explore it again. If you click here, it is going to bring you to this. Then you can edit to your taste. So we are done editing our store and how it looks like. So let's preview this website. So before going to that, let's quickly talk on the header. Let's talk on the header. On a WooCommerce website, on the header you normally see the add to cart option. Some used to have the wish list, and some used to have like my account if user want to log in, all those stuff. So let me put logo. I have logo here, right? The permanent navigation, let it be at the middle here. So here like that, we had cart option, and this is it like this. You see you can edit this option, choose any of this cart icon. So this thing is about how if you can read. Honestly speaking, if you can read, there is nothing too difficult that you will not get here. So if you click on this, so okay, add cart link. Let me take it back. So the next thing is, okay, let's do it like this. So the cart color is this. The over color is this. So let me take it back first. Let me take it back to the home here. Yeah. Okay, I'm trying to know. Cart background, this, cart total color. Okay. So pop out to the left or to the right, left, right, drop down cart. Let's do pop out to the left. So I will have to, okay, let me refresh it. I'm trying to let that button come up again so I can show you what. So I am at the header, right? And this is the button. So this is what I'm looking for here like this. So the first thing is, okay, so the design here, cart color like this, cart background, let's make it white back, exactly like this. So if you hover on it also, it should be white back, exactly like this. So total color background, I love it as blue. Cart total color, whatever it is called, cart total color, I love it as white like this. So if I click on it, it will pop out at the left, and that's the option that we chose, this option. this option at the right. If I move it to the left, to show at the left, but at the right is very okay. And this, you see, this is exactly how you edit. You don't need, see, you don't need too much. This is exactly how it should work. This is exactly how it should work. If you want to add, my account is already on the header here. Now if you move to the mobile view, to the mobile version here, you can put this here. You can now put the button, that cart button, you can put it at the middle here. This is it. So if I change the color to same thing, I'll change the color to blue, to blue. So I can leave this. You see how it is showing. I can reduce the logo, I can reduce it. So I'm using my title. If I use title alone, so you can come here to kind of, it's because it's not a logo, you cannot really reduce the size. It is just like a size title. So this is exactly how it will show. So let's move now to preview our, and for the fact that I'm using Cadence doesn't mean that you love Cadence, that you'll be using Cadence. I'm just saying example. You might find a theme that you love too. You might really find a theme that, let's visit our website now. You might find a theme that you love, that you want to use it. I'm just saying what I use and what is very convenient and what is very suitable. So this is the shop. Let's visit our shop now. You see, very beautiful view, very beautiful view. You see, it is looking nice. Look at the shop, look at what we just created. Look at it. If I click on add to cart now, let's see. You see, it is now showing that one product at the cart. If I do it like this, I'll be able to see it. I can now, from this place, I can now view the cart completely, or click on checkout. So let's go back. I want you to check, I want you to check something first. If I click on this particular stuff, you see how it's showing very nice and very clean. So if you check it on mobile, because I talked about mobile responsiveness, it is very important that whatever you are building, it is very important that it is showing well on mobile. So I want to show you the mobile version. You see, this is how it is showing on your phone, and to be honest, it shows really nice. Yes, it is showing really well and really nice. So you can, click it like this, and it will show you exactly like this. Sweet, exactly like this. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is how it works. So here like this. So see you in the next video. In the next video, I'm going to talking about the how to create a coupon code, the currency switcher, and that's what we are going to be talking about. And lastly, we are going to build the home page. If you check the home page like this, the home page is not like, there's nothing on the home page of, so let us build the home page, and finally we are going to know Destron, our website. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. So let's build the home page of our e-commerce website. So I've just set up a quick home page for you. So I'll be using I will install Elementor now. I will install Elementor. That's the page builder I want to use to build Elementor. I will search for Elementor. I will install it. I will also install this essential add-on for Elementor. So these are the two plugins that I'll be using to build the page, the home page, the landing page of our WooCommerce website. These are the two plugins that I'll be using. So we are done installing it. The next thing is to activate our plugin. Come back to this plugin here, insert plugin. So these are the two plugins. I will just click the two and come here to activate it. So I have activated the two plugins, Elementor and Essential. So let us create our pages. So I'll first check the pages that are here. Okay, we have a home page already. So I will just click on edit to edit with Elementor. I'll click on edit, then it will take me here.
So from this place I will click on this edit with Elementor. So you are going to edit it with Elementor. So here we are. So the first thing I'll do is I will build the euro section. I will want to build the euro section now. So I will just click on this. So I will use this particular one. So I believe you know how to build a website using WordPress before, and if you don't know how to do that, so this is just a simple what's it called, this is a simple stuff that you can use. This is a simple way of just building your landing page. So in this particular one I am not doing something extraordinary. It's just sorry. So I'm not doing something extraordinary. It is just a very simple landing page just to show you how the e-commerce website will look like. And you know that whatever the landing page will look like depends on the brand and depends on what the client wants, or it depends on what you want your business to look like. So I will choose this particular image, or let me say I want so I'm using this of I'm using this as the background. So I want to use slideshow as the background instead. So I'm going to select, like I will select this. So let me select this also. So create a new gallery, then insert gallery. So I have it like this. So from this place like this, the transition, I say okay, slide left. The background size should be cover, then the position should be center. So the images are blur because the images I downloaded are not that sharp. So I will just come here. Let me see if I can replace this font that are blur, if I can replace it with a sharper version. Add to gallery. Let me check. This should do. This. Okay, let me use this. Okay. This is much more better now. So the direction, it can be in, it can be out. If I select out, it will be doing like this, but I would love to select in. So the background overlay, so I will just use a black background overlay here. The color should be black overlay, black. Exactly, just like this. So this overlay, the reason why I applied the overlay is that if I put a text on it, it will show very well. That's the reason why I applied the overlay. So for this, like this particular hero section, I will come back here to change the height to 100 VH. That is, it will take the full height. It will be open the hero section will take the full height of whatever screen that it is showing on, whatever size of screen it is showing on. So I'll just drag in an heading here, sorry. So I will drag in a text description. I will also drag in a button like this. So I will come here like this to this particular hero section, to this container carrying everything. Then I will give it a middle alignment. No, I will allow items to start, then justify items to middle. So from this place like this, I'll come here and say welcome to unique stores. So I will come and change the color to white. The text color, I will change it to white. The typography here, I will change the size. Let me give it 30, or let's say 35. So I will leave the family as Roboto. I will leave it as this. So I'll come here to this text description and give it white also. The color should be white also.
Then for the typography, I'll come back here. Then 16 is okay. So I'll just say we sell all kinds of marketing, okay, all kinds of fashion materials. So I will love to adjust the margin. I will give it a margin top of -20 like this. So I'll come back to this button like this and click on shop now. So for this button, I will just do shop. I will click on this button to click on shop now. So I just do shop now for this button. Then I will change the back. Please, I'm coming. So this button like this, I will give it a background color of black. Okay, so I'll come back here. I want to change the text. I want it to be normal. Yes, something like this. Then I can increase the padding and the padding top. Let me give it 10. Then right, 20 bottom, 10 left, 20, something like this. I can even give everything. I can make everything like, let's say 20. Let's see, it's too much. 15 should be okay. Something like this is okay. So this can be my hero section. This can be my hero section, or better still, you can still add more text here. You can put more, you can increase the size of this one. So if you check it on tablet, it will look like this. If you check it on mobile, it will look like this. So you come back here like this. So you can have it like this, or better still, you might not even have, because e-commerce, when it comes to e-commerce website, the landing page is not like, it is not built as the rest of the landing page. It can just be that this place like this, it will just be a slider, something like this slider that will just be showing the images. It will just be showing the images on that particular store, and it will not be really, no, it will not be like something will be like this. So for here like this, I will come here. So I will just do something here now. Then come here. So I will choose this. So I will give it a background color of black. So I'll give it a background color of black. Then I will drag in another container. So I will drag in another container here. I will put it here like this. So for this main container like this, I will change direction, the flow. The main container here, I will change the flow to horizontal. Then for this one, I will drag in an icon box. So icon box. So here, so something that look like this. So I will come here like this, and I will change the text. I will just say, I only need the heading, I don't need the description. So this heading, I will say fast and reliable. So I will erase I will delete the description. I don't need it. So I will come back to style here. Then I will change the icon direction to the left. Our vertical alignment should be middle. Then from this place, icon spacing is okay, content spacing is okay. So for the icon, I will come here to reduce the size to, like, let me say 12. No, it's too small. 17 is okay. So I'll come here also to reduce the size of the text, the heading. So I'll just make it, instead of semi bold, it can be middle. Yeah, medium. So the size can be 20. Yes, exactly. Then lastly, I will change the color for both the icon and the color for the text.
So white, I'll come back to the icon. I'll come back. So if you don't know how to build with WordPress before, you can get my other course, which is how to design a website with WordPress. You can get that, so it will help you to know, to understand better. So for the over here, if you over on it here, you are seeing. So I will just change it to white again, the icon, yes. Then for the text also, if you hover on it, I want it to be white again. I don't want any um paparazzi here. So I have it like this. So the next thing I will do is just to duplicate this particular container like this. I say duplicate. I'll still click on duplicate again. I'll still do duplicate again. I want to make it 4. Yes, exactly. So for this, I will just say, okay, free shipping, free shipping. So for this, I will change the text to customer satisfaction, customer satisfaction. So for this, I will change it to smooth delivery, smooth delivery. So here like this. So the next thing that we want to do here is that, so for this, since we don't have a lot of text, instead of making my hero section to be 100 vh, why not make it 50? It should just take half of the screen. I think it is okay like this, or better still, let me switch it back to height, to pixel. So I can just give it 450. Yes, exactly like this. So the next thing that we want to do here is now to bring in my products. So if you want to call out your products category by category, or you want to call out your products everything, so the next thing I will come here, I'll click on this plus, so I can go to this product here. I will search product. So you see, you have a lot of widgets that you can use. You have a lot of widgets, but I will love to use this. Let me check this whole product grid. Yes, this is it. Look at it like this. This is what we have. So you can change the column. You can make it, okay, this let's make it 3 column. Okay, 4 column is okay. You can change the column. You can change the layout to be grid. Let's see. So you can change the layout to be mastery, and you can change the layout to be list. Like it should be showing like this. Look at it. Look at it. See, it is not that bad on its own. So you can, I'll just leave it as no. I will leave it as grid. You can select this default style. You can select this. So you can just play around it. You can play around it, and you just pick any one of your choice that you feel like, oh, you want to use this. You can just play around it and choose any one. So I'm trying to play around it now to see the one that will suit my taste and everything. So I will just go for this simple style. So for the query here, this is where I'm going to select the socks, and this is where you are going to select. Now if you don't want every category to show here, this is where, now the product count, I want 10 products to show, or let me say 8. I want 8 products to show. So I've entered the number, which is 8. That's, see, 8 product is now showing for me. So I can come here to add categories. Now I want only bag to show. You just click on bag here, as you can see it, and this thing will change. Only bag will be showing. Look at it. It is only bag that is showing. So these are the way that this thing works. So this is how you can build your own page. You can
come here, drag them, then put an heading. Maybe you want to add shop, you want to add anything. So I will just play around. If you come to the style here, you can style it to your taste. The content background, you can style it. The color and typography, the add to cart button, you can style it. Like you can change the color from black to whatever you want to change it to. The badge here, you can come here and change it if you want to. The pop-up, you can come here you can come here to change it anyhow that you want to know, anyhow you want to make it look like. So this is where you're going to edit everything. Then you can come here. So I will search for another product widget so we can compare everything together. So here we have the product, the whole product carousel. So I'll just come here and drag it here. So let's see how this is how this carousel look like, and it is not bad. So this particular clock that is too long, we can there's a way you can adjust all the pictures. So you look at the carousel. This is not bad. If you ask me, this is not bad at all. This is when looking nice and looking good. So I can come here. Let me check this image resolution. Let me click on full. Or let me come here and use this medium. So something like this. So show product counts. Okay, let's check, let's see. All right, so this is what you are just going to play around everything. Check what you need, check what you don't need, pick what you need, and that's how you are going to use it. So you can come here to do your carousel settings. You can click on this place to click on the carousel settings. The slide, if you want it to be cover flow instead of slide. So this is how it is going to look like this. You see how it is showing. You see how it is showing. The movement is so dope. So I'll come here. Let me just change the products, the query. Let's work on the query first. So the query here, I want to call in. So the product category, I want it to be only bag. So you see what I'm saying? This is very clean and neat. So you can actually use WooCommerce to you can use this WooCommerce plugin to build your e-commerce website. Like you can customize it to anything of your choice. You can query, do everything. The one that is in sales, the one that is out of sales, you can do anything that you want. You can come here, do the layout settings. If you click on this preset 3, let's check how it looks like. The preset 3, this is how it looks like. It is showing price and the reviews. The last one, that's preset 4. Let's check how it looks like. It is looking like this. So you can actually do anything with it. If you hover on it, it will bring the price and everything. So you can do anything with this, and you can come to this style to style it to your taste. Yes, that's what Elementor generally allow you to style anything to your. Even if you want to input code, if you know how to code, if you have anything you want to do with code, come to this advanced here, take it down, then come to this custom CSS. Then all you need to do is just to paste your code, custom CSS. You come here, then you come here, custom CSS, or you go to your theme to include your CSS. So that's how it works. You can come here to set the motion effect. You see the scrolling effect, the entrance effect. You can come here to check. And if you are using Elementor Pro, now it give you more access to more control functions. So that's how it works. So I want to check one more product. So let's check all these one are locked, they are pro features. So let us check this whole product gallery. Let's check it. So this is how it look like. It is not bad also. You can change the position to vertical, or you change the position to horizontal, any one you like. So you can come here, then let's check this first preset. Let's check this preset 2. One. So you can come here and do anything that you want to do. So this is how you are going to set everything for the gallery. This is how you are going to do it, and it will show like this. So if you come to this query now, let's assume you want to make 12 products to count. 12, right? So I say order by ascending or descending. Ascending here. So I will have it like this. So if you want to change now when you are uploading your image, make sure that your image are consistent. You can crop out the size of the image so everything will be consistent and no one will be taller than no one, the way it is like this. So this is a simple way of how you can just come around. If you want to add any other thing, you can easily add any other thing that you want. If you still click on this product here, we are going to see a lot of features that you can use. So that is basically how these things work. This is how you can build everything to your taste. This is how you are going to build everything to your taste. So this is WooCommerce compare. This is WooCommerce image. If you drag it out like this, see, so this is just an ordinary image like this. So this is how it will show. Look at it. So you can use this one to build your single page, your single product page. You can use this one. Yes, the reason why we are not building a single product page is because it comes together with our team. We install Cadence, right? And when you click on Cadence, it has a layout already. So all you need to do is just like customize, edit the typography, the colors you want and everything, not necessarily setting out the layout. So for this one like this, if I just come here, okay, full like this, so slide, or let me say cards, let's see what it will show. So I have it like this. So let's come here and bring our, so I want it to loop something like this. So if the effect should be zoom lens. So I can come here and to the style here. So this is where I'm going to style it and everything. So this is how all these things work. They are not, it is not something that is hard that you cannot even get, but you just need a little explanation, and that is what I have done. This is something that you can easily sit down and work on it, and because I am using this doesn't mean that you have to use this when you want to build your own. People use different method, people use different way. There are a lot of plugins, there are a lot of tools out there that you can use to actually, you can join it together to build your e-commerce website for WordPress. So this is exactly how it works. This is exactly how it works. So I'll just come here to publish. So when you are done, you are going to publish it. So let's check the responsiveness on mobile. So I think it is responsive. It is responsive. Yes, it is responsive on mobile. So we don't need to do something hard or something too much. So let's view our website now. We can view our website to check what we did, and this is what we did. You see, despite the fact that we did not include too much details, and we did not put the extra energy and everything, we still design something. We still put something that is you look at it now, we still put something that is very okay and that is very nice to look at. So this is just the simple step. So this is the simple step on how to build your WooCommerce website. Thank you. See you in the next video. We are going to talk about how you can set up your payment method. I have already done that. I've explained it a brief when I am explaining the general settings of WooCommerce. I have explained it a brief. So for better understanding, for example, for Nigerians, it's very possible that you use Paystack as a payment gateway. So the process is that you go to Paystack, you are going to register an account with Paystack and everything. After you have registered an account with Paystack, they will give you your they will give you the test secret key and the public key. This is for the test. So if I click on this and if I disable the test mode, I will be able to, like, use any of these option, live secret key. So if you go to what's it called, if you register an account on Paystack, they will give you your secret key, and this is what you are going to use for the configuration of the Paystack here. So for this, since we are not entirely using the Paystack, so I will just show you the other options that are available on WooCommerce. You can accept payment through Stripe and every other thing. So let me just click on this offline payment. I've explained this earlier. The cash on delivery, you want them to pay you when they come to deliver. The check payment, the direct bank transfer, you want them to send it to your bank transfer directly. So you can use all these offline payments, or better still, you use a payment gateway, any one of it that you want to use. You can use Paystack, you can use Flutter Wave as in Nigeria, and if you are running your business from abroad, you can use Stripe, and you can also use Paystack, PayPal, sorry, you can use PayPal also. So it depends on you and whatever that you want to use. So this is exactly how this is how it works when it comes to payment. This is how it works. Thank you. See you in the next video. So we have done you have know how to connect your Pinterest to WooCommerce if it is allowed in your country. So let's move forward to Facebook. So let's click on the extension here and search for Facebook. Yes, Facebook. So there's difference between Facebook shop and the normal Facebook that we are seeing. There are Facebook shop that you can use to list your product, and Facebook now. I don't need to tell you how powerful Facebook is. I don't need to start explaining to you how powerful Facebook is. Facebook has a lot of users, both Gen Zs, the older users, the younger users, the mid-range users. They use Facebook, and Facebook is a place where you can easily market your products. So you click on this add to cart here. You click on add to cart, right? Then just the same procedure with view cart, the same procedure that we just took, then that's the same procedure now. So you proceed to checkout, right? This is Facebook. You proceed to checkout, then you click on this, okay, place free order, right? So we have our plugin here. So let's wait for it to load so we can download it. Come here, then download your plugin, and that is how it works. You see, the procedure is very simple. The procedure, it is very, very simple. So let's go back to our plugin. Let's go back to plugin here to add new plugin, then add our. So you click on you click on upload. You choose file here. Then you click on you upload the Facebook plugin. You open it, then install now. Then you click on activate plugin. So we come back here now to click on configure, so we can configure our Facebook, our marketing stuff. So this is shop. The product set tab has been removed. Okay, the product set tab is no longer available in the plugin. All product sets you create previously remain intact and accessible. Your WooCommerce category will continue to sync automatically to product sets. Okay, let's do it like this. So connect your shop to Facebook and Instagram. Let's click on get started. So I will not be able to connect here because I don't want to use my personal Facebook account. But the procedure to connect is not something that is difficult. All you need to do is just you need to switch to, let me try and see if I have a dormant Facebook account.
I don't want to use my personal Facebook account. But if it is your client or anybody's own, all you need to do is just to click on connect. All you need to do is to click on connect, and you'll be able to create a shop, a Facebook page that will be shop. You say WooCommerce by Meta. This is the name of the website. We have permission to access and manage features for Meta businesses. Like, you can run ads directly. Your product will be visible to Facebook without no. It is very easier. But how I wish I can. Let me try it. If I'm able to connect my personal account, since I will still remove it later. So let me click on continue. Continue as this doesn't let WooCommerce and Meta to post to Facebook. Okay, this doesn't let. Okay. So they will still need my permission to post to Facebook for me. So let's see. So select Meta businesses assets. You select this. I'm in this or this page. I don't want this. These are my two accounts here like this. So you click on this account can't be because you're not an admin. Different accounts for them to give you access. Okay, this and this. So let's check. So you click on next. Let's see. So create catalog. Enter a catalog. If anything you are selling, fashion stuff, anything, you know how catalog works now. We are using WhatsApp. So you click on next. Now this is it. Select catalog so you can manage inventory and delivery ads. So you select it, you click on next. The thing is, I will not complete everything. I will not complete this verification and everything. So select your ad account. So if you want to run ads for your shop, it's very easier, because you are running ads for your product directly. You are running ads for your shop directly without you. Okay, you are running ads for your product directly. You are not running ads from your normal Facebook page and everything. If you're running ads using this one, it will be showing your product that you have on WooCommerce, and it will be easier for people to. So these are the things that even there is a special class for this, a special ad class that they will teach you all these things. But I'm just telling you now, so you can do more research on your own. I don't want to continue this. I'm supposed to create an ad account, and it will take me through all the process. But I don't want to continue. But this is something you can go and learn on your own. Go on YouTube and learn it on your own. Go everywhere you can go to learn it on your own, and you can use it to charge your customers more. You can use this to charge your customers more. So this is how it works and everything. Thank you. See you in the next video. Talk about how you can link your WooCommerce to Pinterest. So there's a way that even if you're uploading product on WooCommerce, it will be reflecting on your Pinterest. And if you know Pinterest very well, Pinterest is a website where it has an app, but it is a platform where people search for ideas. People visit Pinterest a lot. In fact, the impression on Pinterest is not a joke. And that is why it will give you an added advantage as a business owner, or it will help you to charge more. As a website developer, it will help you to charge your clients more. You tell them that, oh, if you want your product to appear on Pinterest also, there's a way to go about it, and I will charge you so amount for it. Like, it will help you to charge more. You are not just charging ordinary again. You are now telling them how they can make more sales and everything. So you go to WooCommerce here, you come to extension here. So you're going to use an extension for it. So you allow it to load, then you come to extension here. Then we are going to look for Pinterest. We are looking for Pinterest. This is Pinterest. So it is free download. It is for free. So you click on it. Let's click on it here. So I will say add to cart. So allow it to load. So you want to add it to cart. So you come here to click on add to cart, then let's see. So the items are added to cart, so let's view our cart. This is the same procedure that you are going to use. So I have it here. You see, this is Pinterest, $0. So I'll see proceed to check out. So it asks me to fill in my details. So I'll try and fill in my details. Optional store owner, yes. So I'll click on place free order. I have clicked on place free order. So I think they are going to send the so place free order. They are going to send the product. The email is already in use. Okay, log in. Let me log in. Okay. I think I have an account with them before. So I'll just use my email to sign in and let's see what will happen. Continue. So I have logged in now. So I will go back to place free order again. I will click on that place free order. So the thing is, if you don't have an account before, you will need to go through that first procedure and they will send it now. Thanks for the order. They will send my product to my email. So I will pause this video now to check my email. Then I will tell you how it look like. So here is it now. From this place like this, you click on this place, then you click on download to download our plugin, and this is it. Pinterest for WooCommerce. We have downloaded it. So this is what we need. Now we are going to go back to our WooCommerce here like this. Then you come to plugin. You go back to your WordPress, then you come to plugin here. You click on add new plugin. So you click on upload. So here like this, you are going to upload the plugin. You choose file. So I look for what I just downloaded now. I open it, then install now. So I click on activate plugin. So the next thing is, say, okay, set up your business account, right? Claim your website. So connect your Pinterest account. So if you click on this connect, or if you don't have a Pinterest account, you need to create a new one. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I will just likely create, because I have a Pinterest account, a personal Pinterest account, but I don't want to overload it with something like with the product that is here, because this is a tutorial. So we have to curate a new Pinterest account here, so I want to show you everything step by step. I don't want to skip and tell you to do it on your own. So I'm going to create a new Pinterest account here so we can just see together. So from this place like this, you scroll down, then you look for sign up. You click on sign up, then it will take you to the interface here. But I would love to log out of my own personal account here before I continue. So I'm waiting for it to load. The network is kind of slow. So I have logged out of my own account. So from this place I will click on sign up. So from this place, the new email. So I'm going to create another email now, or continue with Google. I want to check if I can just no, it brings me back to mine. I have to log out again. So I'm trying to not use my own personal account. So I will come here again, then I will click on sign up, then a new email. password, then date of birth. I'll just go with any date because I will still delete this account anyways. So I click on continue here. Yes, so we now have this. I will just click on continue so that you can select the country, even if it is US, if it is any country at all, you can select it here. Then you still click on continue again. Oh, how I wish I'm allowed to skip this, but I'll just pick anything I want and continue. Yes, I have what I want. So this is it. This is everything that is here. Now let's go back to our WordPress. Then I'll click on connect. I'll click on this connect because we now have an account there, right? So I click on get started. So can't connect account. Look like you are logged into your personal Pinterest app. To install this integration, please log into your create business account. So this is it. Create accounts. Create. You missed this, but don't forget to add your date of birth. Okay. The email is taken. So from this place, it seems it's just asking me to create another account. So let me just choose another email. This is part of what you have to like deal with if you are no. Now here is it. So this is what it is going to show you. See the process like this. So instead of you clicking or you don't have an account, just click on connect. It will take you to where you are going to create a new account from the place. So that's how it works. That's how it works. So describe your business. You can describe if you online merchant or marketplace. Yes. Example include Shopify stores, clothing retailers. So you can click on this first one. You can click on this first one, content creator, publisher or media agency, others. So I click on next. So your brand name, you put it. Your website, if you have, definitely you have this same website we are building, you put it there. So let us just click on I don't have a website. I have a website too, but I don't want to. Okay, let's add it. Let's do something to add it. So you click on next. So what are your business goals? You select your business goal. Increase online sales, generate more leads, drive traffic to your website. What's the focus of the brand? If it is fashion, let's say fashion. Yes, if now you can now still run ads on Pinterest. That's another advantage. That's another opportunity. You can run ad on Pinterest. So yes, I am interested in advertisement. You click on it, then you click on done. So where should you start? Share ideas, claim your website, showcase your brand. If you want to showcase your brand now, you now start building your profile. So next, so you can now start building your profile, refining your recommendation, your profile feasibilities. You now start building it here. If you like it, you now start putting your address, putting every information, so that if anybody wants to buy, they're able to see it. You can go through this yourself. Social media permission, you can link your other social media accounts to Pinterest. Yeah, yes, Pinterest allows that. You can link them to it and everything. So that's how it works. So let's go back to our WordPress dashboard and check. So I think I will have to log in again. So I'll go back to plugin, installed plugin, then I'll go back to the Pinterest now. So let's see. Pinterest, like this. So let's check. I want to see. So under marketing, you are going to see Pinterest. So click on Pinterest. So get started. Your store country is in Nigeria. The country is currently not supported by Pinterest for WooCommerce. However, you can still choose to list your product in supported country. If you are able to sell your product to customer there, change your store country here. Read more about supported countries. Okay, so one thing is presently Nigeria doesn't support Pinterest. Nigeria doesn't support you to add Pinterest, but if it is a US client, or the if the business you are building for, um if it has both naira currency and USD currency, you can easily use this. Yes, you can use this without any no without any stress, like you combining paper as a currency and maybe paste or naira together, something like that. So you click on get started here. So the procedures are quite simple. So you connect again, and you'll be able to finish the setup. So that's how it works here. That's how it works. Thank you. So finally, we are going to test our WooCommerce website, everything that we built. So this is the home page of this is the home page here. So I want to change the currency from dollar to, it is in dollar right now. I want to change it, it's in USD right now. I want to change it to naira. So I'll come here, click on this naira, and it will load like this. You see, so if you want to add to cart, I'll come here, I will click on this add to cart. It has taken me to my cart. So I have this product in my cart, I have this two. You can click on this plus to add more. I can click it to remove it. You can remove an item. So from this place like this, it will calculate the total amount for me. So we are waiting for it to give me the estimated cost. If I have a coupon, I can come here, create my coupon and everything. So I'll come here to click on proceed to cash out. Proceed to checkout. So I'll come to this checkout here. So this particular label, you can customize it with your team also. You can do that. So the total shipping and everything, free. So I'll click on this direct bank transfer. Let's say I will click on place order. So this is it. Thank you, your order has been received. Order number, the date, the email, the total amount and everything. This is what it will bring to you, and you can confirm it. And if you want to accept order, you come here, you come to this dashboard here, you come to this WooCommerce here, then you come to orders. So this order, this particular one that we just did, so because we are not paying, and we choose direct bank transfer. So let me check. Okay, I've clicked on order here, order. So here is it. So the both of them, they are still on hold because I have not. So you look at it, the Rivara, the origin is coming from linkedin.com, this one is coming from linkedin.com. So if you click on it like this, I can now complete it. I can change the status to complete, then apply. So you are going to click, you are going to change the process prompt. You are going to change it to complete after you have confirmed the payment. Yes, that's how it works. So you can come to the customers, you can now calculate your analysis and everything. So this is a simple way of building WooCommerce website on this is simple this, so this is a simple way of using WooCommerce plugin to build an e-commerce website on WordPress. Thank you very much. I hope you gained a lot from this video. If you do gain a lot, please drop a review for this. When you are watching this video, this review will help this particular course. It will help this particular course to travel far, and a lot of people will be able to gain access to it and watch it. Thank you very much. Thank you for buying the course. Thank you for seeing the course. You can reach out to me via LinkedIn. If you have a problem, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. My contact details are on this app. You can just check them out. You can reach out to me if you have any challenges. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much.